smoke machine.
Yeah.
So some of these could scroll faster or slower than other ones, right?
Yeah, because of probably of the size of the image. The speed is actually the same, it just finished earlier.
Oh, I see. But could we slow down the scrolling some?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like this one would be nice slow or... Put another background?
Yep.
Oh, hello, Rocket Man. Ooh,
Gallery piece.
ooh, what is that?
Is it light trails?
Yeah, yeah.
It's what?
It's I think it's like a long exposure photo with some lights moving and they left a trail.
This one's weird. This feels very movie art-ish.
The narration. This piece.
Right?
I was trying to follow, when I was on the computer, I was trying to follow the big line.
Oh, okay.
Oh, with the, ooh, stop, not bad. Which
Probably
big line?
to change the in relation, because it's already in relation, just the problem is that on the Y,
Mm-hmm.
because I'm using Z, I should use probably, what is the Y instead of the Z now, because now to go up and down, I'm using Z.
Mm-hmm.
So
We just remapped it with screen. You can put whatever you want. So it's
already.
actually not. It's
Okay.
not, yeah. Yeah, I took what you did. Just flip a few things around. It's like, but you actually don't need to worry about the
I want to
axes.
see you trace the line.